Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on the application of Candy Crush Saga. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Candy Crush Saga and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. In this page of storage, you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.